Well, we've been asking our amazing gardeners across the island to send their questions, and I got so many questions on my Facebook page all about the same topic. Several viewers have been asking how I keep the bugs from getting into the house when my plants go inside. So if you don't know, I have hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of tropical plants. I wish I was exaggerating, and they all go inside my house. And yes, I do manage to get a couple of bugs in there, but I also have a couple of tips to help you if you want to bring in a few plants and not bring the bugs in along with it. So the first one is waiting until this time of the year when the weather cools down a little bit. So at this point, there are fewer bugs outside, so you're less likely to bring in bugs. But you also want to inspect plants before you bring them inside. Give a look underneath the leaves as well, and the soil too. Just sort of take your fingers and just make sure that you're not seeing any major bugs. If you have sap-sucking bugs, neem oil is really good at preventing that. So we're talking aphids, whiteflies, mealybugs. These plants don't usually crawl out of the pots, but they can really damage your plants if you bring them into the house and they don't have any predators to eat them like they do outside. So they can totally take over your plant and destroy them over the winter time. But the biggest bug issue are those little fungus gnats. And the solution that I have here is to let your plants dry out a little bit. And I've also noticed things like cinnamon, which is a natural antifungal, can actually help keep some of those gnats from flying around during the winter time when those plants are inside. Thank you so much to everybody who reached out to me on Facebook over the past few days with your questions. If you do have some gorgeous garden photos or maybe a plant problem you want to share, just head on over to our website. I'll answer them right here live on News 12, and you can also find me on social media, Facebook, Instagram, all the rest. Amy?